President Biden falsely declared today that the Equal Rights Amendment has been ratified and is the law of the land and the 28th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. Hint, there is no 28th Amendment.
Today, I affirm the Equal Rights Amendment to have cleared all the necessary hurdles to be added to the U.S. Constitution now. The Equal Rights Amendment is the law of the land now. It's the 28th Amendment to the Constitution now.
Biden thinks he can unilaterally declare a 28th Amendment to the Constitution, which of course he can't do because it wasn't ratified in time.
Clearly, this man is losing his mind, a sense of dementia. You know, he's talking about a 28th Amendment, and there's no 28th Amendment. Clearly, this man's suffering from amnesia or something. You know, like I say, his health is depleting. He's really talking on his mind, debating on stuff. No, that's what's not really not to be debated on. You know, like I said before, you know, he might make a mistake, you know, and cost the country, you know what I'm saying, something of a great deal, or losing something, because it's a good thing that this man just stepped down what he did. You know, he's not making decisions anymore, you know, for the country. My hat goes off to the man, you know. He just seems like he's all over the place, like he's just forgetting, and he want to feel like, you know, he's somewhat important, but, you know, you're forgetting, you're talking about things that not really existing right now for the Constitution, constitutional rights. These are the things you have to be careful, you know what I'm saying, when your health is depleting and stuff like that, and you're not really having a vocal point, you know what I'm saying, a focused vocal point on the views and things that you are discussing and talking about, and rules and decision making. You know, this is not something that is very serious about. You know, you are a man of character. You know, you're a politician, or you've been running in the race and stuff like that. And I think it's just time that you made a decision, a good decision, that you stepped down, because, you know, this can cause a major disaster, you know what I'm saying, in the political party and what you're joining in, and it's clearly you're not really making any sense about what you're talking about. You know, you have to really just forget, you know, about this and stop, you know, talking and step down. You know, you should really get someone else to like oversee what you're doing, because you're not making right decisions right now. You know, it's kind of an embarrassment, you know, on his part. You know, I hate to see the man experiencing that and going through that. You know, things of that kind of caliber, you know, things are just not really going right with him as far as mindset. You know, I don't know what really going on with him. I think he need to really go get a checkup, and people really need to look after him, you know what I'm saying, because he's getting to the point that he's forgetting a lot of things and doing a lot of things that don't make any sense. Once a man was important, a man just dropping off on the faith of doing things, not doing things that really supposed to be, you know, confirmed, or it seemed like it's just at a standstill with him, you know, as far as his memory. You know, hopefully he's not really losing his memory, but, you know, it seems that he's losing his memory. A sense of dementia is like it's coming on to him, you know. Alzheimer's, you know, whatever the case may be. Like I say, Joe Biden, he's falling, you know, he's falling asleep every time you see him somewhere, you know, one of these big things, or the politicians, and, you know, things are just not right with him right now, you know. And I just hope the man really get his help together. You know, this could be really a viral point of things and Kingston. And, you know, America is watching. Okay, this man, you know, he been doing this for years, you know. Well, you know, I know they're seeing his health is depleting, because he's making statements like this, you know what I'm saying, about the 28th Amendment, and there's no 28th Amendment. So what is he really doing? Is he doing this, you know what I'm saying, because he really think he's right in his mind the way he do things? Um, the thing is, this sick epidemic, man, like I say, I feel sorry for the man, I think he just stay out the way and let people talk to him, you know what I'm saying? Like he shouldn't be signing no more bills, putting his hand or putting his views on anything else, And someone you need to sit down, you know what I'm saying, and make sure, whatever he doing, make sure he doing it right, putting it down on it and doing it right, you know what I'm saying? You know, just things. Or, he just probably just need to just go just say to that thing, but I just hope things will be all right with him. Things just gonna be all right. I think things are playing out with him, and it's just like he just he want to continue to do right, and think he's speaking in his right mind, but I think something really just going on with him. I just hope the man be all right, that he can complete things the way he need to complete things, going together, all together, you know. It seems like he been a man of good character over the years and doing things is right. But I think right now this is just a little bit too much for his mind going. A little bit too much. Things just need to really be downfall. It's like a downfall play with him. Hopefully it's not a downfall play with him. Things are just it's really difficult for him right now. I don't like to see a person that going through like that. I just hope he get help. A little bit more attention on the things that he doing. He get a little bit more attention-fied in his fans for us, him making decisions in this world. Me personally, I don't think he should be making any decisions as far as the country. I think he should have a little guidance, and a little help. But these things can be serious. Like I say, he can make a mistake and, write down the wrong thing as far as a bill. Like you just said, he just went out and said the 28th Amendment. Which is what I've been saying before. This man gonna sign the wrong bill or something that's gonna affect America. I don't think he should be putting a pen to anything, because his mind seems like his mind is right, but it's not right. It's clearly you can see his mind is not right. Something's going on, because he made a statement of the 28th Amendment, and there's no 28th Amendment. This is a very, very serious academic that he's trying to say that it's a 28th Amendment when it's not a 28th Amendment. So he feels very strongly about this. So this is why I say his mind is shifted all the way to the left, or something going on with this man. But I don't like to see him like that. Hopefully, they don't let him sign no more bills. Of, the political party, whatever going on for us, what got to go on with America and whatever they're doing to straighten things out and do things are very powerful decision making. He just should not be in the party of decision making at all. So my hat goes out to ex-President Biden. I hope things work out for him, but it seems that things will be very difficult for him. Things are just like trending and going on, and hoping this man to be the best he can be. Hopefully he can open up and protect and shield him. Thank you for listening.